Quadweb has a unique offering called as Productize IT. It's a little different from whatever that you see otherwise in the services market. Today in India, if you look at it, the traditional services companies give you two kinds of offer. Okay? Number one is the time and material, which means to say that you have a problem, all right, tell me how many people do you want. That's the kind of approach. The second part is usually the fixed bid. Okay? You come up with a RFP and I bid for it. Does it solve your problem? Yeah, actually I don't care. So it's about your RFP. I am meeting the requirements what you have already mentioned. This typically does not work with a lot of small and medium enterprises across the globe because they don't usually have the budget to keep a large army of people to come up with a huge number of RFPs and then float it out and then wait for the right suitors to come and play the entire services game there. What we have typically seen is that in the most of the cases, the customers don't know what exactly do they need to solve their problem. In many cases, they may not even be aware of the problem. Right? So we help them primarily understand their business scope in terms of what is their technology problem, what is the technology roadmap, where their competitors are heading, what kind of opportunities do they have. With that, we establish a case in point for a product to be developed. Okay. A lot of large companies outsource their salary processing. So in one particular case, this company in question was actually processing the salaries for third-party companies. Usually from 1st to 25th there is hardly any work. But all your leave details and everything else is available only after 25th. And you have a very small window between 25th to 1st to calculate all the salaries, make sure that the salary slips are generated and be available for this. Now let us think about a typical small and rather medium to large kind of enterprise that cuts across multiple nations or states or different geographies, right? Now, typically what happens is that every nation or a particular state or even for that matter even city may have a lot of different kind of legislations with regard to the payroll. Similarly, the enterprises or the companies also will have different options available for the employees. For example, a lot of enterprises actually offer the employees to configure their salary structure. They would have decided a component. Within that, the employee will have the ability to actually arrange what should be his basic, hence what will be the tax component. All of these things can be calculated. We jumped in to help this BPO organization to understand that what they need is not just a software that can work, but they need to actually evolve from that to offer a complete platform in global scenario. Which are the companies offering what kind of solutions? Now what happens when we are coming out with a newer platform? We need to innovate, we need to offer them something that others don't offer. So with our experience in being in the IT field for such a long time, we bring in those inputs. So we offer that and we build it onto this particular platform. In this case in point, we help them build a comprehensive platform which works like a kind of GoDaddy of sorts, wherein an enterprise can come in, sign up online, give their entire salary structure and upload their inventory month on month and then get the salary processed in time, on time. remote IT infrastructure management companies, or international credit card advisory companies. We have done that for multiple BPOs, one of them which I gave the example of salary processing. So we have done that for multiple such kind of customers across the globe. Through Productize IT, Quadwave offers a clear-cut differentiator for SME kind of companies offering IT services to the world. Number one, it provides a scalable product for your earlier services. Number two, it gives a competitive edge to generate exponential revenue. Number three, it provides a kind of a paradigm shift to your company's position in the market. That's what the revolutionary service like Productize IT brings to you. Thank you.